I wanted to experience Norway's shortest night in nature. So on June 21st, I decided to camp on Estenstadammen Lake. The plan is simple: hike from Loholtbakken to Estenstadammen, set up camp by water, and stay through the brightest night of the year. What was supposed to be a simple camping trip quickly turned into something much bigger. My friends Farhan and Sarmat decided to join me. Then Farhan came up with an idea. Why don't we have a proper barbecue by the lake? So instead of carrying just camping gear, we are carrying a grill, charcoal, food, drinks, and everything else we would need for a barbecue dinner. There it is, Estenstadammen. But we have a bit more to go to get to the perfect camping spot. After getting to the lake and taking a breather, it was finally time to set up the tents. After setting up camp, it was finally time for the part we had been looking forward to all day: the barbecue. We had brought chicken, fish, and everything else we needed for a proper outdoor dinner. But the real chef of the evening was Farhan. He took charge of the grill while Sarmad and I happily stayed out of his way. One of the highlights was his homemade chicken shawarmas, fresh off the grill, packed with flavor, and honestly one of the best meals I have ever had outdoors. After carrying all the extra weight to the lake, every bite tasted even better. Just when everything seemed perfect, Trondheim reminded us who's really in charge. Sarmad and I had both forgotten our rain jackets. As the evening went on, the temperature dropped to around 10 degrees Celsius, and a chilly breeze swept across the lake. Suddenly, our summer camping trip didn't feel so warm anymore. So the barbecue wasn't just for the dinner, it became our heater too. We kept feeding the grill with charcoal, gathered around the fire, and enjoyed the warmth while chatting late into Norway's brightest night. Sometimes the best memories aren't made by the perfect plans, but by making the best of whatever nature throws at you. As the evening came to an end, it was time to inflate the air mattress and get my sleeping bag ready for the night. Yo. So we decided to camp on 21st of June, which is the longest day and shortest night in Norway. The sunset was at 11:37 p.m. and the sunrise is at 3 a.m. Even though it's past midnight, it's still bright enough to do activities outside. And it's difficult to sleep when it's that bright outside. So we'll try to wind down and sleep if we can. As the night went on, the rain arrived, and it never really stopped. We fell asleep to the sound of raindrops on the tent, and by morning, the rain was still falling. But sometimes, rain makes nature even more beautiful. Low clouds drifted through the forest, wrapping the trees in a blanket of mist. The lake was calm, the air was fresh, and the whole place felt incredibly peaceful. It was one of those mornings that reminded me why I love spending time outdoors. It was an amazing night out, so it's time to pack up and head home. It's been raining for a while, for almost throughout the night as well, and it's still raining, but we need to head home. Afterwards, we packed up our camp, making sure to leave the place exactly as we found it. With our backpacks on once again, we began to hike back home.